This is the Casio dbs-21. It's the thinnest watch by Casio. I opened the case back actually here. So let me show you. This is the case back of the watch. It's super thin. This is the rubber seal that I'm gonna clean up as well. As you can see here. So it's kind of flat. Became over flat. And here's the case back. That's the beeper, the tiny little beeper actually. This watch was made in 1986. So as you can see the year, the manufacturer year there, 1986, made in Japan. Casio dbs-21, module number 522, stainless steel back there. I just wanted to show you here in this video how to replace the battery of this watch. This is highly non-standard because of, the thickness of the watch. Extremely thin. So the battery actually has to be held in place by a couple of screws here. So this screw down there and that screw down there need to be removed so as to remove the metal plate here holding the battery in place. So let's do that quick and let's replace the battery on this baby. So here is the second screw, the battery covering. And I'm gonna throw the battery away. This is as you can see here, this battery is a CR1220. That one will do. That one will do for sure. And then put the plate back there. The back plate back in place there. So you could, the case is full of dirt here on this side. When I try to clean the edge of the case actually, so I'm gonna use here a little lighter fluid here to clean the case. That's the old battery. Let me get rid of it. Oops. And I want to show you actually another version of this watch. So okay, the case is clean now. I'll try to clean this part of the watch here. It's not, I think it's gonna break soon, so let's prevent that from happening. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna use the same lighter fluid here, just a little tiny bit. I'm not sure I would be able to find a replacement rubber seal like this piece there. I'm not sure. I don't think so, because these are super old. Well, some older watches as well, like the DW5200 and DW5600C, you can still find replacement seals for those watches. And there are a few straps around there out on eBay. There. I'm going to put a little bit of silicone on this plate actually. Just my bare hand there. Just a little bit, tiny bit of silicone. to preserve the watch. Let's put the rubber seal back on the watch here. Seems to be in good shape. Let me show you the back plate here, because so as you can see here, there's a little bit of rust trying to get into the watch there. A little bit of rust here as well. So this watch has been exposed to high levels of humidity and moisture as well. It's a little better. So let's place this back into place here. As you can see here, the battery is supposed to be in contact with the back plate. The back plate here is the positive end of the battery, because this is the positive end, and this is again the positive end. Here is the watch. To set the watch here, you did that. You set the watch by pressing the buttons on the keypad here. These buttons down there. But I don't really know anything about this module. This is the module 522. I don't know how it operates, but let me show you. I have another version of this watch. I mean, I did have a super cool version of this watch, and this watch was an actual calculator watch. As you can see here, you can still see there the remainders of the 4 math operations here: division, multiplication, subtraction, and addition. So 0, 1, 2, 3, all the digits here from 0 to 9. And someone sold me these cases actually without the movements. This was a super cool watch back then. This is the cfs-80. I did have one copy of this watch in my possession, but I sold it a long time ago. But before selling that watch, what I did was that I fixed the keypad actually. So I removed all the plastic, the silicone covering here off the plate, of this little rectangle. And I managed to fix the keypad actually. And it's a super beautiful watch, as you can see here. See, plus you had these 2 additional setting pushers here, the adjust button and the mode button up there. This is the rarest of all the Casios out there, for sure. Super thin. It's the exact same case, plastic case here. The module is, like I said, different. The model number is different as well. This is the dbs-21. This is the cfs-80 there. And not only that, the cfs-80 came in 2 different models actually. This is yet another case for the same module watch, cfs-80 up there, as you can see there. The 2 buttons, the adjust button and then the mode button. So this watch came in 2 different models. The strap here, the plastic strap, is integrated into the case. So it's a single unit. It's a continuous unit, as you can see here. I didn't have the module for this watch, so I purchased this case a long time ago, actually. But I did, like I said before, I did have the module of the cfs-80, the black version, this version. And there was a gentleman on the internet who sold me 4 cases of this watch, actually. 4 cases, including this one down here. I kind of regret having sold that watch because it's an amazing, super beautiful watch. Super, super duper nice watch, actually. The problem with this model is that over time, the silicone plate here sort of becomes sticky and soggy. So as you can see here, it goes into the hole, each digit hole there. It sticks into it, deep into it. So the keypad doesn't work anymore. And that's exactly what happened here with this watch. The watch doesn't seem to... Whoa, look at that. But if I press this button here, oops, see what happens? It's stuck there. So what I'm going to do, hopefully, I will make a video about the replacement of this keypad here, because it's all shattered and cracked in pieces there. It's a piece of history indeed. Wonderful piece by Casio, dbs-21. It's an integrated case, and the cfs-80 as well. Well, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Please subscribe to this channel. It's very helpful to me. Thank you so much.